Hello everyone, today we're gonna be fixing a problem that I had for the past like freaking 2 days. I couldn't understand why videos that I imported to Premiere Pro were having this distorted audio, like it was deep and delayed audio. And I've been reading forums and everything and they had no answer. And actually I didn't find the specific answer to the issue, but I found a way to fix it. So here's an example. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So uh here's one of the audios right here. Don't mind the video, it's just an example. Here's the video. uh, so you can probably hear the audio is all fine. Yeah, it's pretty quick, it's all good. Okay, now this is what happens when I import it. So I already imported it and then the audio goes like this. So it's really messed up. You can probably hear it. Like when it's voices, it's even worse. So what I had to do is it was actually pretty simple. I went ahead and I freaking converted it on an online converter to MOV format. It was MP4, and apparently MOV like fixed it instantly. So here's the other file that was similar. It was the same one. Like it had literally the same problem. But then now the sound, it's all working properly. So here's how you fix the issue. uh I hope this helps because I had no other time. I didn't want to find the actual. I mean, of course, I wanted to find how to actually fix it, like so anything works. But if you don't, because I didn't find anything, and if you don't have time, you just can go ahead and convert it. I think that's the easiest fix. Yeah.